my lovelies, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and very welcome if you're new to my channel. If you didn't know, well, you might already know that my husband Chris and I share the same birthday. It's the 21st of June, and I had some beautiful flowers from Chris for my birthday. I will pop a photograph somewhere here in this video of the bouquet that he sent me. I also had flowers from one of my daughters as well that my little grandson Lennox gave to me, and of course I had to split them up over about 4 different vases, so they were just starting to look a little bit worse for wear. Well, some of them were anyway. You know, they kind of lose petals, they drop, don't they, and the water turns funny, etc. So today I thought I would dig through them and take out the ones that completely had it, and refresh the ones I could still put in a vase and, you know, make it look pretty, and just keep them for hopefully a few more days just to brighten up everything. So in this video, that is literally what you're going to see, is me just going through the different vases, taking the flowers out, pulling the bottom leaves off, giving them a trim at the bottom, and refreshing the water. As I say, popping them into nice clean vases, and then just popping them into, well, I put 2 of them in the lounge and 1 on the dining table. So I've kind of decanted from 4 vases down to 3, and they still look really beautiful, and I'm sure I will get several days more of the beautiful blooms in the vases. Just in case any of you are wondering, the tie-dye t-shirt dress that I'm wearing in the video, I did actually show it in a recent try-on haul from a company by the name of Rotita. I will link that video down below should you be interested in having a look at it. But yes, that's the dress of the day. Oh guys, I really feel like I should apologise for how I'm looking. I haven't even put a comb or a brush through my hair today. I'm not feeling fab, as you all know. I'm not very well at the moment, but this was a job that I really needed to do, and I found it really sort of therapeutic to do it, you know. But yeah, I do apologise for the look. I was able to save some of the carnations that had broken quite high at the stem. So what I did is I cut them and I just popped them into a little glass jug for cream on the windowsill in the kitchen. And also one of the lilies, some of the petals were falling. I managed to save some of those as well, and they are also in the little cream jug on the windowsill in the kitchen, and that really, it brightens up the windowsill and beautiful to look at. So just in case you're wondering, some of the stems I pulled I could still use, but I had to cut them really short. And I'd just like to thank you so much for watching my video. If you have enjoyed watching it, then please don't forget to give it a like by pressing the little thumbs up. And if you haven't already subscribed to my channel, I'd absolutely love it if you could subscribe. Take care, everyone. See you all in the next video. Bye.